This is Timothy Timmy III. He is going to a local superstore, Roxy.
La 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 la. La 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 la. Ay, paano ko nyanyi?
He is going to buy toilet paper.
I need this for my nerves.
This is Timothy's ex-friend. He's his bully now. His name is Bad.
Oh no! Hey, what did I have to do? That's so weird.
Hey, loser.
Ano slanger eh.
Timmy, guess what?
What?
Your mom.
My mom is dead.
Out of panic, Timmy gets nervous and he does toilet paper. Because he does that.
He does.
OMG, you ate the toilet paper, weirdo.
Oh no, please don't tell. I won't do anything.
Unfortunately, Bad saw Timothy eat the toilet paper. Bad thought for a moment. Anything you say?
Anything!
Toxic Yowie. Then, how do you bully this one loser?
But I'm nice. I can't do that.
But you said anything. You wouldn't want me to spill your secret, do you?
Timothy thought of his options. Fine, but you have to promise me that you won't tell anyone.
Come, follow me.
Okay. Bad dragged Timothy out of Roxy, and into the sunset they go to go bully that guy.
You used to call me on myself.